I got this cloth for my face. I just wanted something that was reusable and that I didn't need to clean my hand towel at the bathroom or anything like that. So I got this ones so I could just wash my face, remove my makeup, and um, use this to dry my face, and then I can utilize a new one and then throw them on the washer and have them ready to go without having to utilize a lot of paper towels or any other disposable ones. I wanted something that it was going to be more eco-friendly, and these have been fantastic. They're actually very absorbable. They are very soft for the skin, so they are also a good size for your whole face, and you can use them like in both sides. So you have a lot of options with this ones. So I think they were a good, or they are a good alternative for you if you want to just reutilize the towels that you're using for your face every day.